Hey KIHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the KIHiVE. And hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. So I've been seeing this trend go around YouTube for a couple of weeks now, and I decided why not let me just get on into it as well. So I'm going to be doing I tried a tutorial. So today I'm going to be trying a Bubs Bee tutorial. If you don't know who she is, I'll insert a picture of her right here for you. She's a natural hair YouTuber here on this platform, and she does amazing style. She has type 4C, 4B hair. Figured why not just let me try out one of her styles and see how it works on me. So I'm going to be trying out her go-to chunky 4C twist out. I love me some twist out, so hopefully this turns out right. If it doesn't, y'all will still see this video. I'll just link her video down below. All right, so let's get right into it. So for this tutorial, you're going to need a spray bottle with some water, some Shea Butter, just have the kind from the beauty supply store, and a styling cream of your choice. So I'm starting on like 4 or 5 day old hair. This is an old twist out, and as you can see, I got shrinkage galore. Like, my hair looks so short, but in reality, like, look how long it is. Shrinkage, y'all. All right, but let's get into the tutorial. You guys, so this is the finished product. See, I mean, it looks pretty good. It has some definition. My ends are curled because of those mini bantu knots I put at the end, but I'm highly impressed because I thought this might be a low-key fail, but it wasn't. Thank you so much, Bubs Bee. I'm actually like loving it so much that I may push off wash day for like another 3 days to let this, you know, be seen. I don't want to do my hair and nobody see it. Like, that's the worst. So now I gotta get dressed up and go somewhere so people can see how great my hair looks. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have any other suggestions of tutorials you would like for me to try out, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!